Hello and welcome to this Introduction to Oracle Digital Assistant course. Oracle Digital Assistant is also known as ODA. I am instructor at beenumlearning and I will be guiding you on this exciting journey into the world of intelligent chatbots. Before we go ahead and see what is covered in this course, the first question will arise is what is ODA or Oracle Digital Assistant? ODA is Oracle's powerful AI-driven platform which will help you to build conversational interfaces, also known as digital assistants or chatbots, which can talk to your users, answer the questions, and even perform complex tasks across the web, mobile, and voice channels. Whether you are a developer or a business analyst or just curious about Oracle Cloud technologies, this course is your first step into building smart conversational experiences using ODA. Now coming to what is covered in this course, we will start with the fundamentals as this is an introduction course and we will see what is ODA, how it works, where it fits into Oracle's cloud ecosystem. Then we will slowly move on to building your very first digital assistant. We will also learn how to create the skill, design conversations, intents, entities, publish your digital assistants, that is by using Oracle's no-code or low-code browser-based IDEs. We will also see how we can integrate our chatbots or digital assistant with the backends and the APIs, that is by using the flows using Visual Flow Designer. We will see what is skill, what is flow designer, what is intent entities slowly in the course. And we will cover a lot more concepts as we go ahead in this course. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge as well as hands-on experience, that is to build your own smart assistants using ODA and take up your next assignment confidently. This course is perfect for the beginners like me. No prior chatbot or Oracle experience is needed. Just the curiosity and the willingness to learn would be more than enough. Are you ready to create intelligent, interactive digital assistant with Oracle? Then join along with me in this learning journey and I will see you in the classes going ahead.